In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and collaborate with a team in your design workspace. By the end, you'll know how to create a team, invite the right people, organize your projects, and work together smoothly in real time. First, head to the Teams area. You'll find it on the left sidebar. If your sidebar is condensed, open the More menu and choose Teams from there. This is your central hub for everything related to team collaboration. Next, create your team. Click the Create a Team button, then enter a clear, memorable team name. Choose something that reflects your department, client, or project so everyone instantly knows what it's for. When you're satisfied with the name, click Create to set everything in motion. Now it's time to invite members. Type in their email addresses, and assign the right role to each person. Members can edit designs and contribute to day-to-day work. Admins can manage the team itself, including billing and overall settings. A good rule of thumb is to keep the number of admins lean and intentional. You can always adjust roles later as responsibilities shift. When you're ready, send the invites so your teammates can join. With your team in place, organize your work using folders. Create folders for each project, campaign, or client to keep everything tidy and easy to find. Then drag existing designs into the appropriate folders. Once a design lives in a team folder, everyone on the team can access it according to their permissions. Consistent naming and structure will save you time and prevent guesswork as your library grows. To collaborate in real time, open a design and use the Share option, then choose Team. Team members with edit access can jump in and work simultaneously, which is perfect for fast iterations and feedback loops. Use comments to leave clear notes, ask for changes, or highlight decisions. Keep comments concise and actionable, and resolve them when they're addressed to maintain a clean workspace. Finally, keep your team healthy by managing settings regularly. Go to Teams, then Settings to update members, adjust roles, review billing, or refine folder access. This is where you can align permissions with responsibilities and make sure the right people see the right work at the right time. That's it. You've set up your team, invited collaborators, organized your projects, enabled real-time editing, and learned where to fine-tune settings. Follow these steps, and you'll have a streamlined, professional workflow that scales as your team grows.